Understanding wipe transition in video editing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of video editing, focusing on a popular technique known as the wipe transition. This tool is widely used in films, TV shows, and online videos. Our goal is to help you understand what a wipe transition is and how it's used to enhance storytelling in videos. A wipe transition is a type of video effect where one scene gradually replaces another on the screen. Imagine a line or shape moving across the screen, pushing the old scene out and bringing in the new one. It's like turning the pages of a book or wiping a window clean to reveal a different view. This technique is often used to indicate a change in location, time, or situation in a story. There are various types of wipe transitions, each creating a different effect. Standard wipe. A straight line moves across the screen. Clock wipe. The transition moves in a circular motion, like the hands of a clock. Shape wipes. Transitions happen in specific shapes, like a star or a heart. Iris wipe. The scene changes from a small point and expands outward, like the iris of an eye. Wipe transitions are best used when you want to show a clear change in location or time, add a stylistic flair to your video, create a smooth and seamless flow between scenes. However, use them sparingly. Overuse can distract from the content of your video. That's all about wipe transitions. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this creative tool in video editing. Use it wisely to add dynamics to your storytelling. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.